Listen, you can always make income. You can generate income. You can generate money. Okay, from poverty, from nothing. Let me check how this stuff make a lot of noise. My dumbbell, my phone. I exercise, so I have my dumbbells here all over the floor. I want to save time, so sometimes I exercise in my house. Sorry about that, guys. So you can still make money even if you don't have no income. You can start to do selling. You can sell even if you don't have money. How? Man, you crazy? You tell me I can sell with no money? How is that possible, bro? I don't have no income. I don't know who's gonna give me money to start business. This is why I cannot start business. Nah, you can't do that. My biggest pay, my biggest sales was not even products. I didn't even have no income. What I did, I was offering services. So if you don't have no income to start your business, you can offer service. You can use your words to generate income. Okay? You can start to offer service. You can start to do teachings. Okay? There's a variety of teaching. Wherever or wherever you think you have that type of skills of teachings, you can use that to generate income like how I did. You see? So what I did at Face Place, I didn't have no money to have my, let's say, to accumulate some or to have some type of items or products that I can maybe buy somewhere and resell, because sometimes buying and resell can get you money. Let's say you buy stuff from eBay or you buy stuff from the local market, and then you take the products or items and you go and you resell to the high income skills or to the people that you need after reading their behavior, their purchasing behavior, like what they need, or just do research and find out, okay, what do the people like to buy? Oh, people like this type of product right now. Let's say LED light. So when you find like, a lot of people, there's a high demands of LED lights, then just go and find the market where you can buy in a low price and you can resell to the people who are in need. Everybody, most of the people, majority, they do buying and sell. So buy and resell is very important. You buy products and you resell. Now, how I'm gonna buy? I told you I don't have no income. How I'm gonna do that? Then offer service. There's a lot of ways you can do, or you can offer service. You can use a lot of platforms. YouTube to be one of them. You offer your service. You show your talents using the social media, using YouTube, where you can earn some income. And then when you earn income, if you want to shift your business to buying the products, then you can do that. See? Or if you want to stick to only services, then you can stick to that. Like I say, you could use YouTube, you can use Instagram, offer your service or other media. Like me, for example, I told you on Face Place, I was doing tutoring at a Face Place. So I started locally, and then I thought like, oh, wait a minute, I can just focus on international students, because most of the international students in overseas, they have a high income. So my focus is started to change completely. We came and changed my life. So my focus was for students from UK. Most of the class will come from UK, US, a lot of them. So I had to go and read the syllabus. I had to do studies. I had to learn the formula. I had to learn the formula of that business, that's the business which I started with. I'm sharing with you. So maybe you can use your mind and your mindset, your research, see, okay, well, I don't have money. Maybe you can do comedy. That's a services. It's the products, but it's in terms of the service that you offer. You create your content, do some comedy, you put it on YouTube. See? You do your comedy, you put on your YouTube. And when people get entertained, you can put your contact details. Like, hey, you want my service, you want to get entertained, you can reach me here. Reach me here for the bookings. You can do poetry. Do nice poetry, make a poetry, nice poetry. Those are services, because service you can call products, because at that time now you don't have money to do what you think. So starting business not necessarily that you must have money. You can offer service and make money. And sometimes you can make way more money than what. Look, how many musicians that you know they have become billionaire? Look at Kanye West right now. He started with like buying a salad. He was making the beats. He started rap because maybe he didn't have no products. I haven't done enough research, but this is what I'm thinking. But now he's going to $6 billion currently. At the moment, apparent I'm talking, he's being announced on Forbes that he's in $7 billion US. But he started offer service. He did not start like, oh, I know Kanye West had money with a lot of money, thought of money. No, they started offer their service, their talents, and then people who investors, they had discovered him, because when you show your talents, nobody gonna know you unless if you portray, you show your talents, what the uniqueness that you have, and then you're gonna attract the investor, people that want to invest in you, or you can invest in yourself. So it's all gonna come to this decision on either you want to continue to be independent entrepreneur, or you let an investor come in and then you can share a piece of it. But make sure you make a right decision. When you attract those investors, make sure you sign a good deal. But me, you know, I'm about rolling my own things always. Okay, so it's not necessarily you must have a money for you to start business. You can offer the service, then offer the service like I told you. Start a comedy show. How you can do that? I don't have the money. You can record a place like here, for example, me. I can do some comedy and upload on YouTube. I can just go down the street with my small phone, do some comedy. I've recently watched one of the kids in Nigeria. They did their episode, local movie, soapy, using the small phones, like very small phones, and they go popular all over the world. So they use their service because maybe they didn't have the money to buy products and resell. You see, so you can use your own. How many musicians, how many artists that you know, they have made their name bigger just using the social media. So use the social media effectively instead of just posting there like, hey, yesterday I called my friend, she didn't pick up. What do you think? People are gonna be commenting there, but that's not gonna give you money. Rather, started some stuff or started some mission there, or you can offer service and generate revenue. It might change your life, but you have to stay consistent. Like I tell you all the time, me, because you gotta listen to the real homeless, the former homeless here for 4 years. When you start to do your business, a lot of people sometimes they might look with it, left eye or right eye. They laugh sometimes. So there's two things. You're gonna gain more hate, but you know what you should do? You shouldn't give a damn. More hate is gonna come from nowhere. Less support, more hate. And when you get more hate, you just have to know you're growing. That's just a lot of hate. Okay? You don't have to care. Don't worry about how they feel, as long as you treat people with respect. Your people that you care is your friends. Who are your friends? Friends are the people who buy your products, because those are the ones who make you live. Not those haters, because when you fall, okay, when you fall apart, they're not there anymore. See, so you need to care your friends. Like I said, who your friends? Those clients who purchase your service. Those people who book you in a venue for you to go and do some comedy show. Those people, when you go in the Metro Rail and you do some comedy, you sing for them a cappella, and then they put some money in a small donation box. Those are your friends, because they take care of you. You see? So, you don't have a product. You don't have no income. Then offer service. Think of the service, think of the talent, think that what you can do to the people. Teachings. I'm teaching you right now. I'm giving you service. This is why I decided now, apart from this service now, I have a book. So the book is the products that you purchase, you can change your life. So now I have a book. I'm offering you service right now. Okay? The service that you learn from somebody who's been going through former homeless 4 years, but I've changed my life completely. Like I said, I own multiple income now. I have a animal farm. And then also I have my acre of land now. I'm started farming right now, farming very soon. So I want to get into agro business. That's why I bought the land. So if you cannot afford to buy the land, you can lease the land. Okay, you can lease the land, you see? And for you to make all these sales, you have to learn the formula of making sales. You don't want to sell exactly like how I sell. Okay? You don't want to sell or do exactly what I do. Let's say now, for example, now I'm selling the books. Okay? That in that books, in that also I have a courses, online course where you can learn from me. And I can give you the whole tricks that I use, which has changed my life. So with that course, if you want to start your products, you don't have to do exactly like me, but you can learn from me. You can learn my formula that which I'm offering in the books. With that book, you can learn the whole complexity. I just make it easy in a simple way, actually, and then with that can change your life. Just like how I changed and how my story have transformed or has changed a lot of people's life, and those people in the right position financially, independently, and now they don't have to worry about I'm gonna lose job, or if maybe something happened, I'm sick, I've lost a job, or when I'm gonna travel. They can travel anytime because now they're independent. Okay, so you can come with your own uniqueness way. So why you have to make sales? You can still make sales. You just have to be unique, and you have to constantly keep advertising. You see, you learn from me. How would you know I'm selling books? How would you know that I'm selling courses online if I wouldn't tell you? So you have to come with a unique way of advertisement, of running promotion, and I'm gonna have a very special price for the book that I'm selling. And for the course, especially the course, don't miss the course, because the course is gonna be online. Very serious courses, business courses, that if you can listen to that course and having the book, because the course, if you have the course, because the course have a lot of compilation of complex business minds and path that if you take, you can come from nothing and you can build bigger. You can build a way that you can pass from you to your generation and your wife, your husband, your children, or your business. Let's say you run real estate. You shouldn't suffer. You shouldn't say it's like, oh, I don't make sales. Huh? You should make sales. You should make sales. So in there, I'm gonna teach you the strategies that you can use to make the sales. It doesn't matter which business you're in. I'm gonna categorize based on which type of business. See, and then with that causes, you're gonna be able to sell a lot. You're gonna be able to sell your either products or your service. So family, if you don't have money, you don't have income, you can still sell your services. Okay, you have your real estate, you run a restaurant, you can make bigger sales, because then if you already have a product, then I don't see why you cannot make sales. You already have a product. If I have a product, if I don't make sales, and then there's something wrong that I'm doing. What is that something wrong that you're doing? Then I'll teach you now how to do the sales. It doesn't matter which business that you're doing. No matter which business you're doing, excuse me, I'll show you, I'll teach you the strategy on how to advertise, how to market, and how to differentiate yourself from the other peer. Okay, so stay tuned. Just want to share with you about this sort of why you can not start business because you don't have income. You can still make sales and you can do business with no money, like how I did. My focus was on the people with high income skills, like the real estate, run adverts or do promo or make video on the people run real estate, because I had a big portion from that. Corporate world, people run bigger business. I used to be there, is a part of it. But it didn't just come and I found myself with the people run real estate. Now, I had to find my way in. I had to make those people believe in me because of the service, how I talk, but I had to learn how to do this. It don't just fall. I had to take time and learn. I had to learn the formula from the people who does what I wanted to do. And now I had to blend that formula, okay, and I had to remodify, come with my own formula. Now I have my formula, my business formula. Now I offer products and service. Hey, which service you're offering. I do the teachings, like I say here, financial literacy, like how to generate income and how to remultiply your money, not just to save, because now money can devalue sometimes. So I'm teaching you how to remultiply your money and how to reinvest than just save. Personally, I like to remultiply my finance or whatever income I get from multiple stream of income. Why you want to focus on multiple stream of income? That's going to be another one, another session. You just stay tuned, share this video to a lot of people, and don't miss to get your cause, because if you have that causes, it's very important. It's not just going to help you, it's going to help you and your generation, and they can pass your weight to the other generation, and the mindset is going to be more business minded, or more wealthy generation, or more millions and billion creativity, where I'm heading to. So thanks a lot for your time, and you don't need money. You don't need money to start a business. You can offer services. Okay. Thanks a lot. Peace. Don't forget to buy courses, okay? I'm out here.